Hey guys, Mubarak here from InPenny Stock. In this video, I'm going to go over some level 2 strategies. More specifically, I'm going to show you how you can utilize level 2 to have faster trades execution. Alright? We've all been there where you have a position, you're trying to get out of it, or you're trying to buy at a nice price point so you can get in on that pump and dump, or you can get in right when the price is hot. But due to the execution of our brokerage platform, we're not able to get in at the price we want. So I want to give us some specific strategies that you can use today and in any day you trade so that you can execute faster and lock in the shares that you want to buy or sell at the right price. All right, the first one, and this is the most basic principle, but you have to make sure you're using this, is utilize limit orders, always, okay? Limit orders, which are different from market orders, allow you to choose a specific price to buy and sell at, all right? And what you want to do is that when the going is going hot and the price is shooting up, it's spiking, or if you're shorting and the price is falling and you want to get out quickly, what you need to make sure you do is position the limit order a few pennies ahead or behind of what you want to buy or sell at. Because if the trend is upward, right, say the stock price is going up and it's at $1 right now, what you want to make sure you're doing is you want to put your limit order at $1.01 or $1.02. You might be a little less profit, but you're going to get your trade executed and you're going to actually get in the position. All right, if you've been trading for a little bit, you'll find that sometimes if you do a limit order at this dollar point during the pump and dump, you're going to get stuck and you're not going to be able to get the profit. And then you hesitate, you struggle, and you put in a fast limit order at 110 and you end up shorting, you end up losing out on some profit that you could have made. So I definitely recommend as soon as you're executing the order, even if the price is at $1, set it at 1 penny or even 2 pennies on the execution so that you can make sure that it's good. Second one is, and another important aspect is that you should not trust the buy and sell orders that you see in the level 2. All right, especially when you're doing OTCBB or pink sheet buy and sells, you're going to see that there's different market makers on both sides with large portions of share sizes like 2,500, 5,000, 50K, but don't always feel like that's definitely set up, right? When you're evaluating the strength or weakness, which I talk about in the other level 2 videos, you have to make sure that you understand that it could just be the market movers setting up the blocks in a certain way to manipulate the price. So always be aware of that. Finally, I'm going to give you 2 specific ways that you can increase your trade speed so that you can lock in the right executions, which are utilize obviously the best broker, which is Interactive Brokers, right? That requires a little higher minimum than usual, but that's what we want to work towards, If you enjoy trading, if you're invested into level 2, if you're watching these videos, you're taking the right steps to be at that level to be able to trade with Interactive Brokers, which is a very fast executing platform because they have a lot of resources. And then finally, as you probably see and you've probably heard around, one of the best strategies is to utilize the ARCA market mover because that'll allow you to execute faster. So those are just some quick tips on how you can utilize level 2 to have faster trading execution. I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. I've been getting a lot of emails recently about people asking me about chat rooms and forums, whether to use them, whether they're useful, and basically whether or not I recommend that people should utilize a certain chat room over another or look at any forums. And so I wanted to make this quick video to give my opinion about how I feel about them. Now, there's 2 specific ones. There's chat rooms and there's forums. Regarding chat rooms, I think that has been very useful to my trading development. When I first started trading, right, the thing with trading is that it's a very isolating experience. It's just you and the screen, and you're staring in front of it and doing research and watching all the shares and stocks move up and down all day. So it requires a lot of focus, and it could be a little lonely at times. But to be motivated, to collaborate, that is useful, and that can be done through a chat room. So if you can find a successful chat room that's not filled with spam bots, that doesn't have people secretly promoting other stocks, that is very useful, okay? If you have a collaboration and teamwork, if you're on with 10, 20, 50, 100 other penny stock traders that all have the same goal in mind that you do, that can become incredibly useful for you. First of all, you'll be able to talk about your trades, you'll be able to see and learn from other people's mistakes, you'll be able to talk about the best strategies. A chat room is extremely useful for trading, and I'm definitely going to set one up for in penny stock, and we're actually in the development of one right now. So depending on when you're watching this, it might even be live. But the chat room is extremely useful for anyone starting to trade or even advanced traders. That's how you stay focused, that's how you stay in the game. On the other hand, you have forums for penny stocks, and that I recommend. You know, there's some popular forums out there, but truly I feel you should probably stay away from them. Alright? I'm not going to say that as a whole blanket statement. I'm sure there's some forum threads out there that are useful, but overall, my experience, from my years of experience in trading and from all of my students, I've seen that a lot of times in forums, it's a lot of manipulation, scheming, and hypes. Alright? Pump and dumps, the foundation of a lot of pump and dumps start in forums as well, because basically it's kind of like creating fake hype. People will post press releases and news articles that might be completely fabricated. You know, they might be fake, but it'll get you excited about the stock and you'll jump in. So I've personally found that staying away from forums is the best. You know, watch educational videos like this one. Read articles. Try to inform yourself and learn as much as you can about the stock market. But I would recommend going to sites like Investopedia and staying away from forums. So that's my 2 cents on chat rooms and forums. Hope that helped. If you guys want any more videos on stock trading, email me at admin@inpennystock.com. Also, we have a free web series right now going on that'll teach you how to start trading today. All you have to do is take your phone, text stocks, one word, to the number 44222, and you'll automatically be subscribed into our email series where you're going to see me giving you tutorials and a certification course essentially on stock trading. Finally, I also have a premium spot open in my executive coaching. So if you're looking for one-on-one coaching, personal sessions with me to get started trading, that's available right now at inpennystock.com at a discount. So I definitely recommend checking that out. I was actually just talking with a friend, and we were talking about what motivates us and what drives us to stay focused and stay working, you know? After a while, money might not be necessarily the exact motivator, right? But again, you have to get to that point first. Right now, if you're working a job you don't like, you have debt, you have loans you got to pay off, sometimes you need to take the extra initiative and put in the work and focus to get what you want, all right? It's kind of like the mindset we have when we're in school during your finals, or if you're in high school whenever the end is of that, you take your test then. But you kind of just think of a mindset that, hey, I just need to get through this. I need to put the work in, put my head down, study, and get it through. And it's going to be better on the other side. The summer vacations, whatever you look forward to, that's the same mindset that you need to have, all right? Finances are even more important than that, because that allows you to have the potential and freedom to do whatever it is you want to do, all right? A lot of times I feel people get stuck in making decisions based upon what they have to do. And I don't want that for anybody. I never want somebody to be limited based upon the financial reasons or based upon their budget or their bank account. And that's why you have to put in the work, all right? In today's world, with technology, with software, with the internet, it's easier than ever. You know, I saw something from Gary Vee actually, where he was talking about, yeah, sure, we have first world problems, we have issues, fights, you know, relationship problems, but in today's world with technology, you don't have any of the problems that you had before, all right? You don't have to worry about the Black Plague anymore or things like that. It's just very simple. You have your 9 to 5, you can come home, relax, see your loved ones, have a beer, do whatever it is that you want to do, and then you can just get back to work. You can do trading, you can do research, you can set up your watch list, you can watch the videos, you can go through the content and educate yourself to make the proper financial investments in your future. All right, you have a long life to live. There's so much that you can do and so much that you won't experience if you don't put in the time now to make the profits and have the financial freedom. So that's kind of what motivates me. You know, I never want to feel like I'm falling behind. I never want to feel like I'm not giving it in my all, and be able to work so that I can reap the profits and reap the benefits. And if you put that same mindset into researching stocks and trading and making sure that you're a profitable trader, I can guarantee that you'll have that same results and the same effect as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.